When I was job hunting as a fresh graduate, ang una kong tanong, how do I get the attention of the recruiter? Wala nga akong work experience. So I want to share some 3 tips that I learned over the years on how to land your dream job as a fresh graduate. Tip number 1, which is the most basic, secure internship experience. Before you graduate or right after you graduate, getting internship exposes you to the corporate world. And most employers prefer those with internship experience. You don't start from scratch because meron ka ng knowledge about business etiquette and business procedures. Tip number 2, kailangan solid ang iyong co-curricular activities in school. So sumali ka ba ng mga school orgs? Anong leadership positions ang tinake on mo? In lieu of work experience, a lot of recruiters try to measure your communication and leadership skills on those school orgs and co-curricular activities as well. Paano pag walang co-curricular or internship? Kakayanin pa ba? Of course, dito papasok ang tip number 3. You need to get certified. For example, patok ngayon ng mga online jobs sa marketing, sales, at customer service. Pero if you're a fresh grad, mahirap patunayan sa iyong employer na kakayanin mo ang trabaho. So certifications are going to help you. Speaking of which, may I recommend to you the Career Lipad program by the Mapua Malayan Digital College. They offer a series of certification programs designed for fresh grads like you. For example, they offer a digital marketing and e-commerce program in partnership with Google. They offer a social media marketing program in partnership with Meta. They also offer content creation with Adobe. Best part, these are all 100% online ang intake. You can finish them from 2 to 3 months and they can be as affordable as 9,000 pesos. If you're interested, visit this website and see more and you can enroll and start learning now. So kahit walang work experience, kakayanin pa rin to stand out from the crowd. To all the fresh grads out there, good luck, galingan nyo